What's going on, everybody? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Love, KetoBrick.com.
Yeah, buddy. By the way, we've had a couple delays with the bricks. We're gonna be making more. Please don't give up on us. I'm probably gonna do a video about those delays soon, so just hang tight. Anyways, today we're gonna make pork country style ribs, and this is a super simple, super easy recipe that you can like make in batches and have throughout the week. So it's a plus there for sure. Also, there's a couple little caveats here. We're using pork country style ribs, which technically aren't even ribs. They're either cut from the loin or from the shoulder. If you get them cut from the shoulder, then they're gonna be a little bit higher in fat. If you get them cut from the loin, they're gonna be a little bit higher in protein. So, quick little tip there. These are based off the ones cut from the shoulder, so try and look for that if you can.
And I did get the fattest, like the fattiest one that I found there too.
Which is good. So, 3 ingredients. We got 5 pounds of pork country style ribs, and this is all based off of like just the whole batch as a whole. So 5 pounds of country style ribs, 1 container of mascarpone cheese, and 1 bottle of barbecue sauce. We are using the G. Hughes brand barbecue sauce, which is sweetened with sucralose. You can make a more keto-friendly version if you make it yourself, but as far as ones you can buy, this has been the best I've found thus far. Sweetened with sucralose. This is the maple brown. The hickory smoked is the better, but they didn't have any of that today,
unfortunately.
But these ingredients yield these macros.
5,592 calories, 516 grams of fat, 34 grams of carbs, 408 grams of protein, which breaks down to 72.4% fat, 25.5% protein, and 2.1% carbs.
Boom, let's make it. Alright y'all, so the beauty of this recipe is that it's literally incredibly simple. So nothing fancy, like I'm not gonna win any chef awards for this because it doesn't get any easier than this. Basically I'm gonna go ahead and I'm using the Instant Pot, by the way, so hopefully you have an Instant Pot. If you don't, you can make this in the oven or with a slow pot, crock pot. But I'm gonna go to saute, so this can be heating up. I'm gonna get my mascarpone cheese. I'm gonna put the entire thing of mascarpone cheese in there. And that's gonna heat up, kind of become a little bit more liquid. And then I'm going to put the entire bottle of the barbecue sauce in here. So the entire bottle of that. I'm gonna mix these together so it's all pretty much consistent throughout. Alright y'all, so once it's all pretty much melted in and mixed in together, you're just gonna start adding your pork pieces here. So just add those in and smother them full of that barbecue sauce. Ideally you want everything covered pretty well. So just start adding these in and mixing it into the solution here. Alright, so now we have our entire 5-pound package of pork country style ribs in there with the barbecue sauce and mascarpone cheese. Go ahead and put your lid on. Make sure your little steamer valve is closed. And then we're gonna do manual. And then we're gonna go up to 25 minutes. And then that's gonna rumble, and we're gonna let it do its own thing. And then when it's done, we're gonna see what happens next. Alright y'all, so we had this in the pressure cooker for 25 minutes. We've let it naturally release pressure for the 15 minutes that it's showing now. We're gonna go ahead and flip this switch. No pressure because it's all naturally released. That's what it looks like on the inside. Now we've got the oven set on broil. We're gonna take these, put them in our cast iron skillet, and get a nice little char on the ribs with the broil in the oven. Alright, so we're gonna leave some of them in the Instant Pot. I'm only gonna broil 4 of these at a time, but definitely encourage you to ladle out some of those sauces and get a nice little coating on those. And then I'm also gonna put some salt and pepper on there before sticking it in the oven. Real quick, y'all, look at that bicep. See that? Yeah. Put those in there for about 5 minutes or so. You can flip it if you want to. Alright, y'all, the pork country style ribs are done. In the grand scheme of rib cooking, they didn't take that long. I mean, obviously like a slow cooked barbecue rib is gonna be better, but this wasn't too bad. Let's see how it tastes. How's it smell?
Smells like heaven.
Smells pretty good?
Smells like some dang good protein right there. Juicy.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna cut this video short so I can dig in. I'm probably gonna eat this whole thing right now, so I'll catch y'all later.